Well, you've just finished observing a class, a nice time to sit with a teacher and give him or her some constructive feedback. How would you do that? Well, there are a number of popular frameworks that you could use, such as these ones here. You have the sandwich one, the zebra one, the maze, the patch blanket, the flowchart, the timeline. We may go through these later, but what I want to focus on today is on another framework that I created, which I called SPICE. Now, what is SPICE? SPICE is an acronym, okay, that helps you structure this meeting that you have with a teacher after the observation. Each letter of the acronym SPICE is the beginning of the step that you need to remember, when you conduct this meeting. All right. So what is the first S? It says here, start with self-evaluation summary, which means you allow the teacher to give you a summary of their performance. They evaluate their teaching, what they did, the lesson that they just, taught, and they give you their, reflection and their evaluation of it. So give them that opportunity and start with that. The second letter is the P, and here you need to focus on the positive sides of that performance or that lesson. Yeah. And of course, you praise that and you prioritize, which means you look for the most important strengths and things that you liked, and you capitalize on them. Third step, here you, of course, look for some of the imperfections. And I like to call them imperfections, not mistakes or weaknesses, because we want to remain positive and constructive. So this is the aim of the meeting. So you look for these imperfections, these little things, and it would be excellent if actually you lead the teacher to find those imperfections for themselves, by questioning and so on, until they find out for themselves that these are some of the limitations or some of the imperfections they need to work on. And of course, after that, you go to the action. What to do? You communicate the action plan or the action points. Is the teacher, does he need to go and attend another training course? Is there going to be another observation? Is there a report that's going to be written? What action is going to take place after this meeting? Okay. And of course, you end with more, constructive and useful input through elaborating, elucidating, and of course, educating the teacher. Of course, you're the observer, you're the one with the experience and the know-how and everything. And of course, here, this is the time for you to give that very useful input for the teachers. Remain positive and very constructive. So try to spice up your feedback. Thank you.